Guys, today we are making a beaded necklace for Feefee. So I got this kit from Amazon and it came with these so many cute beads. Like they have these butterfly ones and I hope you can see it, floral ones, some shiny ones and lots of different sizes going on here and some letters as well. Apart from the beads, we've also got this elastic string and some claw clasps and jump rings. By the way, I've already tried using this and it's very difficult to tie on the jump rings and the clasps. So I went ahead and got these threads and we'll be using that because it's so much easier and I think it saves a lot of hassle. So while she's here, I'll just quickly measure how big the necklace should be. I think this is okay. I'm thinking of going with different beads in blue and white because blue looks really pretty on her. Just look at how cute this blue dress looked on her. So some pearls, some butterflies, some flowers, and yeah, that looks good. I've already tied the jump ring and let's get started. Okay, so we are ready with the necklace and let's see how it looks on her. Only if she would let me put it on. Feefee, this is okay. Here we go. How do you look, Feefee? Show. Oh, she looks cute. So if you've reached the end, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.